Hello, today is the 3rd, oh no, it's the 9th of March, 2012. Unfortunately, the data that I had has gone, it has vanished, so I'm pretty much starting afresh, although some of the data was backed up. Unfortunately, not enough. However, the show will continue on, and this will be a quick video, just mainly testing this out a little bit before I had my audio card that would not record, and this one seems to be doing such. And just going over some of the trends. I already showed you the trend of the channel that we're in right now, and quite frankly, we're back into this previous run in here. So if you look at the distance from here to here compared to, like, say, here to, well, probably the matching would be around here, it could technically stay within this channel for quite some time, and you really don't know exactly what's going to happen unless you happen to be in the know, and I'm not one of those. So those are the significant trends. We're going to go through significant Fibonacci levels from the 846 low and the $50 high pretty much. And if it's going down, you subtract this by 1 for how much it's retraced. So 14.6% retracement was not found on the way down where it was here. Resistance, pretty much support below, but then it tried to get above it because it held a support once but then failed. And you can see the rest in here. Now that we're hopefully the difference between here, hopefully it basically does continue to go higher, but what happens I can't determine. But hopefully, as I'm stating, that this level of resistance is becoming support right now, because when it wasn't found as support in here and it came down below, it did try to hold for a while, but for the most part it was all that of resistance, where now it broke above this and it's been support ever since. So that's a little bit of an encouraging sign. And really the key levels are going to be between 38 and 39, because I have 38.45 as a key level here. And when I go to the more shorter term time frame, and again, we'll just quickly draw in this range, which quite frankly is holding up fairly well, showing that once this thing breaks out, this thing could go bonkers. But I've already stated at the time factor, where you take the level from this breakout. This is the duration of time for the bull market and its correctionary phase. Well, if this is the bottom, pretty much is a matching time frame. And if it's not, well then it's obviously going to be longer. But when we put the Fibonacci levels in within the 1774 level, and you can see how they play out from level to level, no support, no support, support kind of deal. But the 3903 is a significant mark, so the whole range between 38 and 39, if it has to hold and stay above this line, which is the biggest and most important Fibonacci support, 61.8% on the way down. Once subtract that, that gives you the answer. 2632, obviously the 2 test, which has successfully passed thus far. And now what we're looking at is this level here was pretty much resistance. It tried to break above it in here, and it was support for a while, but the entire duration was more of resistance. Thus far, since this breakout point in here, the entire duration has been support, where it used to find resistance. And yeah, so there's pretty much not more left to say. Therefore, as far as the videos coming up later on, it's going to take a little bit of time to get things back in order, and a lot of the data that I had is lost forever, but that's totally fine. And thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. I'll probably put some more out later this weekend, but obviously no guarantees. Take care.